Typecasting in Python. Typecasting is a method used to convert a Python object's data type into another required data type. It is mainly used to work with different data types that can be used together in operations. There are two types of typecasting in Python: implicit type conversion, explicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion means that Python changes a value's data type automatically when needed. It happens during operations to make sure the code runs correctly and safely. Example. The following example demonstrates how implicit type conversion works. #Python converts x into an int automatically. X equals 12 print, type x. #Python converts y into a float automatically. Y equals 3.0 print, type y. #Python converts z into a float automatically. Z equals x plus y print, z, print, type z. Output. Less than class, int. Greater than less than class, float, greater than. 15.0 less than class, float, greater than. Explanation. In this example, Python can automatically detect the data type of the resultant variable. It does not require manually typecasting the resultant variable after performing the operations. Explicit type conversion. Explicit type conversion. Explicit type conversion happens when a programmer converts a value's data type into another data type manually. It is done by using built-in functions, especially when automatic conversion cannot be used, or a certain data type is required. Explicit type conversion is also known as typecasting because the user changes the data type of the objects. Examples of typecasting. We have so many data types in Python, but out of that, there are some data type functions which are commonly used for typecasting in Python. These built-in functions are as below. Functions descriptions int. It converts the specified variable or value to an integer. Float. It converts the specified variable or value to a float. Complex. It converts the specified variable or value to a complex number. It consists of a real part and an imaginary part, represented with the character j, instead of the traditional mathematical I. str. It converts the specified variable or value to a string. Bool. It converts the specified variable or value to a Boolean value, true or false. List. It is used to convert the given iterable, like a string, tuple, set, to a list. Tuple. It is used to convert the given iterable, like a string, list, set, to a tuple. Set. It is used to convert the given iterable, like a string, tuple, list, to a set. Dict. It is used to convert the given sequence of key-value pairs to a dictionary. Let's see some of these functions with examples. Example 1. Converts into integers. The following example demonstrates how to convert different data types into integers. Program to convert different data types to integers. Explicit typecasting int1 equals int 6.2, float greater than int2 equals int 17 feet, str greater than int. Printing results print int1 greater than type int1, removed decimal places print int2 greater than type int2. Output. 6 greater than less than class int greater than. 17 greater than less than class int greater than. Explanation. In this example, we have taken different types of data and manually typecast them into integers. It mainly helps to perform mathematical operations on numbers by typecasting the numbers into integers before operations. Example 2. Converts into floats. The following example demonstrates how to convert different data types into floats. Program to convert different data types to floats. Explicit typecasting flt1 equals float 8, int greater than float flt2 equals float 19.67 feet, str greater than float. Printing results print flt1 greater than type flt1 print flt2 greater than type flt2. Output. 8.0 greater than less than class float greater than. 19.67 greater than less than class float greater than. Explanation. In this example, we have taken different types of data and manually typecast them into floats. It mainly helps to get accurate calculations of mathematical operations to achieve more accuracy. Example 3. Converts into complex. The following example demonstrates how to convert different data types into complex. Hash program to convert different data types to complex. Hash explicit typecasting CMP1 equals complex. 2. Hash int greater than complex CMP2 equals complex. 11.57 feet. Hash str greater than complex. Hash printing results print, CMP1, greater than, type, CMP1, print, CMP2, greater than, type, CMP2. Output. 2 plus 0j, greater than less than class, complex, greater than, 11.57 plus 0j, greater than less than class, complex, greater than. Explanation. In this example, we have initialized different types of data and manually typecast them into complex. It is essential in scientific computing, engineering, and advanced mathematics. That's all for this video. Join our WhatsApp channel and developer community channel on WhatsApp to get knowledge about latest technology and stay updated in community channel. Links in the description.